The discussion underscores the critical importance of remaining informed about advancements in non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, through diverse and reliable sources. This diligence ensures that decision-making processes are anchored in accurate and up-to-date information. Throughout the video, emphasis is placed on the necessity of rigorously evaluating both the advantages and disadvantages associated with NFT investments. Achieving a well-rounded understanding facilitates more informed and judicious investment decisions. The speaker articulates the inherent unpredictability associated with investments and life circumstances, reinforcing the notion that no certainties exist within the NFT market or any financial pursuit. While many individuals consciously avoid risks, such as accidents or unhealthy dietary choices, they paradoxically engage in these activities despite recognizing their potential dangers. This dichotomy sheds light on the complexities of human behavior and decision-making. Moreover, social media often propagates negativity surrounding businesses, which can instigate unfounded fear. It is imperative to discern between legitimate concerns and sensationalized content aimed at attracting attention. Understanding the experiences of individuals already participating in a system is of paramount importance. Their insights can bolster confidence in the legitimacy and reliability of a business or investment opportunity. The speaker identifies shortcomings in traditional network marketing, notably its reliance on recruitment and the potential for earnings to diminish. Such challenges frequently culminate in unsustainable practices that may disillusion participants. In contrast, a prominent benefit of the new system is its steadfast commitment to community building, with aspirations of reaching 300 million members by 2030. This approach stands in stark contrast to conventional enterprises that prioritize immediate profit margins over fostering enduring relationships. The speaker encourages a reassessment of perceptions regarding investment risks by drawing parallels to losses experienced in commonplace activities such as fantasy sports and gambling. This viewpoint aspires to cultivate a more optimistic disposition towards engagement in the new system. It is crucial for investors to acknowledge that any gains or losses incurred are their own responsibility, a principle that should inform their decision-making. Transparency in the investment process is vital for fostering trust. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, represent distinct digital assets that are non-replicable, thus holding considerable value within the marketplace. A thorough understanding of NFTs is essential for navigating this emerging investment landscape. Blockchain technology serves as the foundational framework for NFTs, providing a secure environment for transactions, which has become increasingly critical in today's digital economy. Awareness of blockchain intricacies enhances investors' comprehension of the NFT market. The significance of passive income in the current challenging economic climate is accentuated. A growing number of individuals are seeking methods to augment their income streams without incurring additional stress. Treasure NFT is positioned as a Web 3.0 platform, offering enhanced security and privacy compared to traditional Web 2.0 services. This attribute makes it particularly attractive to users who prioritize data protection. The distinction between investment and deposit is crucial, with deposits in Treasure NFT available for withdrawal at any time. This flexibility represents a substantial advantage for prospective users. Users retain the ability to exit the platform at any point, reclaiming their funds along with accrued interest, an offering seldom seen in traditional companies. This feature significantly enhances user satisfaction. The absence of reinvestment requirements enables users to concentrate on community building, alleviating concerns about consistently recruiting new members. This marks a significant departure from conventional systems. The organization's goal of cultivating a community comprising 300 million members within a span of 5 years underscores its ambition and signals potential for substantial rewards for actively engaged participants. Community involvement remains a central focus. Diverse membership tiers correspond to varying profit percentages, with higher tiers yielding enhanced returns. Each member's contributions play a pivotal role in determining the overall income potential. Fostering community growth and educating members emerges as a vital component for organizational expansion. Effective guidance is instrumental in facilitating progress to higher tiers and significantly increasing daily profits. The income generated from daily reservations is compounded in accordance with community size and the level of member activity. Strategic planning aimed at achieving membership growth can lead to substantial financial returns. Daily earnings can reach between 12,000 to 13,000 Indian rupees, translating into remarkable monthly amounts that surpass many traditional employment opportunities. This underscores the financial potential inherent in the platform. Participants are afforded the opportunity to engage in personal development while seizing unique opportunities, ultimately shaping their futures through this innovative platform. The choice to participate rests solely with the individual. The platform emphasizes community building, where ascending to higher ranks correlates with increased earnings, thereby presenting a clear pathway for motivated individuals to improve their financial status. The corporate development strategy aims to enhance regional markets globally, ensuring that Treasure NFT maintains competitiveness in the technological landscape over the next 10 to 20 years. Membership in Treasure NFT presents lucrative income opportunities, strategically positioning members for success while simultaneously advancing the company's mission to broaden its global footprint. The company reinforces the significance of adhering to its guidelines to achieve financial success, fostering an environment where both members and the organization can collaboratively reach their objectives.